Today, we're diving into a sustainable and profitable business idea, starting a reusable plastic and paper plate business in Africa. With the growing awareness about environmental conservation, the demand for eco-friendly products is on the rise. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process of producing reusable plastic and paper plates, the essential machinery you'll need, and some effective marketing strategies to boost your sales. Let's get started. Don't forget to contact us for any business advice. Check our number on this video description. Reusable plates are not only eco-friendly, but also cost-effective for consumers. By reducing single-use plastic waste, we can make a significant positive impact on the environment. Let's explore the opportunities this business offers. In this video, we'll cover everything from the necessary equipment and the step-by-step production process to effective marketing strategies. Let's start with the essential equipment you'll need to produce high-quality reusable plastic and paper plates. Here are the key pieces of machinery required: plastic injection molding machine. This machine is used for creating reusable plastic plates. It melts plastic granules and injects them into molds to form the plates. Thermoforming machine. For producing plastic plates, a thermoforming machine heats plastic sheets and molds them into the desired shape. Pulp molding machine. For making paper plates, a pulp molding machine processes recycled paper pulp into plate molds. Cutting and trimming machine. After molding, plates often need to be cut and trimmed to ensure smooth edges and uniform shapes. Sterilization and cleaning equipment. To ensure hygiene, plates should be cleaned and sterilized before packaging. Packaging machine. An automatic packaging machine helps in efficiently packing the finished plates for distribution. Investing in good quality equipment is essential to ensure the consistency and quality of your products. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of making reusable plastic plates. Material selection. Choose high-quality, food-grade plastic granules. These should be safe for repeated use and washing. Plastic melting. Feed the plastic granules into the injection molding machine, where they are melted at high temperatures. Molding. The molten plastic is injected into molds of various plate designs. Ensure molds are precise and well-maintained for consistency. Cooling and ejection. After molding, the plates are cooled and ejected from the molds. Ensure they cool uniformly to prevent warping. Trimming. Use the cutting and trimming machine to remove any excess plastic and smooth the edges. Cleaning and sterilization. Clean and sterilize the plates to ensure they are hygienic and ready for use. Quality check. Inspect the plates for any defects. Ensure they meet quality standards for durability and safety. Packaging. Package the plates using the automatic packaging machine. Label the packages with product information and usage instructions. Now, let's go through the process of making reusable paper plates. Paper pulp preparation. Prepare the recycled paper pulp by mixing water and recycled paper materials in the pulp molding machine. Molding. The pulp is then molded into plate shapes. Ensure the molds are precise and maintained for consistency. Pressing and drying. Press the molded pulp to remove excess water and then dry the plates. Proper drying is crucial to ensure durability. Trimming. Trim the edges of the plates using the cutting and trimming machine for a smooth finish. Coating. Optional. Apply a biodegradable coating to enhance durability and water resistance. Sterilization. Sterilize the plates to ensure they are hygienic and safe for use. Quality check. Inspect the plates for any defects and ensure they meet quality standards. Packaging. Package the plates using the automatic packaging machine. Ensure the packaging is eco-friendly and informative. Maintaining high standards of quality control and hygiene is crucial. Here are some tips. Regular testing. Conduct regular tests on raw materials and finished products to ensure they meet safety standards. Sanitization. Keep your equipment and workspace clean. Regularly sanitize all surfaces and tools. Training. Ensure all staff are well trained in hygiene practices and understand the importance of maintaining cleanliness. let's talk about how to market your reusable plates and increase your sales. Here are some effective strategies. Branding. Create a strong brand identity with a memorable name and logo. Ensure your packaging is attractive and informative. Eco-friendly messaging. Highlight the environmental benefits of using reusable plates. Use eco-friendly packaging and promote sustainability in your marketing. Social media. Leverage social media platforms to promote your products. Share engaging content, such as tips on reducing waste and the benefits of reusable products. Sampling and promotions. Offer free samples in supermarkets, local markets, and events. This will help people experience the quality of your products. Collaborations. Partner with eco-friendly stores, cafes, and restaurants to stock your plates. Offer special deals and promotions to these partners. Online sales. Set up an online store and offer home delivery services. This will help you reach a wider audience. Community engagement. Engage with your local community through workshops and environmental campaigns. Educate people about the benefits of reusable products. Every business faces challenges. Here are some tips to overcome them and grow your reusable plate business. Supply chain management. Ensure a reliable supply of raw materials. Build strong relationships with suppliers. Cost management. Track production costs and find ways to minimize waste. Invest in energy-efficient equipment to reduce utility bills. Customer feedback. Listen to your customers. Their feedback can help you improve your products and services. Expansion. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line to include different types of reusable items, such as cups and cutlery. Let's hear from some successful business owners and satisfied customers. Successful business owner. Starting our reusable plate business was a great decision. We've seen tremendous growth and positive feedback from our customers. Satisfied customer. I love using reusable plates. They're durable, eco-friendly, and perfect for all occasions. Engaging with your community and practicing corporate social responsibility, CSR, can also boost your business. Educational workshops. Organize workshops to educate people about the benefits of reusable plates and environmental conservation. Local sourcing. Source your raw materials locally to support local businesses and reduce your carbon footprint. Environmental initiatives. Implement eco-friendly practices in your production process, such as recycling waste and using renewable energy. Charitable contributions. Donate a portion of your profits to local environmental causes. This not only helps the community, but also enhances your brand's image. To produce reusable plates at scale and maintain high quality, you might need to invest in some advanced machinery. Let's take a closer look at a few of these. Automatic injection molding machine. This advanced machine increases production efficiency for plastic plates by automating the entire molding process, from material feeding to product ejection. High-speed thermoforming machine. Ideal for large-scale production, this machine can handle high volumes of plastic sheets and produce a variety of plate designs quickly. Fully automated pulp molding line. For paper plates, a fully automated pulp molding line can significantly boost productivity. It integrates pulp preparation, molding, drying, and trimming. UV sterilization system. Incorporating UV sterilization can ensure your plates are free from microbes, enhancing their safety for repeated use. Automated packaging system. A comprehensive packaging system can streamline the packing process, ensuring each plate is hygienically sealed and ready for market. Investing in these advanced machines can help you scale your operations efficiently while maintaining the highest quality standards. Starting a business involves careful financial planning. Here are some key points to consider for your reusable plate business. Initial investment. Budget for equipment, raw materials, packaging, and initial marketing. Consider leasing machinery if buying outright is too costly. Operational costs. Track costs like raw material procurement, utilities, labor, and maintenance. Implement cost-saving measures where possible, such as energy-efficient machinery. Pricing strategy. Set competitive prices based on your production costs, market demand, and competitor pricing. Ensure your pricing covers all costs and provides a profit margin. Funding and loans. Explore funding options like government grants, business loans, and investor capital. Present a solid business plan to potential financiers. Profit reinvestment. Reinvest a portion of your profits back into the business for expansion, upgrading machinery, and marketing. Starting a reusable plastic and paper plate business in Africa is a fantastic opportunity to contribute to environmental sustainability while running a profitable venture. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.